live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Camera's on. Sound check. Give me a sec. Sound check. Okay, look at that. It's going to be a good day. How do I know? I didn't make any mistakes. Usually the camera's not on. Sound check isn't working. Something's always off. Okay, let's get up the order entry buttons. I love the way it was working yesterday. Are we all good to go? There we go. Okay. I'm just curious. This is not a trade. This is a trade that's not a trade, just like yesterday. We didn't sweep any highs. We didn't take out any highs. We didn't take out any levels. But I am going to watch it because I am curious. There still is a pattern in there that I like. And I do want to watch it. But if I were to give this right now a ranking, this trade is C-. So if you were to split up your trading, where you were to trade kind of, let's say, one lot on a C-, there you go, stopped that already. See, C-, 2 lots on a B, 3 lots on an A-, and 5 lots on an A, and maybe 8 lots on an A+. So you trade 1/8 the size. You guys should take a look. Lance Breitstein has a video about that. It's how to scale properly and how to exponentially grow your account. I should find the link for it. By trading much smaller on your weaker trades. Besides that, like I said, this was a C- trade, something I just want to observe. I don't even think you should take your C- trades. I'm curious. Hey, Omnius, I should watch that video again, even see if he goes down to C, but I think he does. I think he goes down to even D trades. Why would you have a D trade? What is a D trade? Is there edge still in a D trade? I gotta watch that video again and ask him. Let's take a look, see what happened overnight. Starting out with the Asia session. What do I want to know? If you're spent any time in this trading room, you know I want to see if we've swept two sides, both sides of the Asia session. The Asia session is the gray box. We swept the highs, but we didn't sweep the lows. So finish with that. Now let's drill apart a little bit. Okay, we had that was a resistance area. We kind of went through it, and then it acted as support. Interesting. Okay, now we got to look for support. Now we got to look for support areas that we bounced off of and mark those. Not interested. Well, yeah, I guess still interested in resistance, right? We don't know. We got that one up there, right about there, I would say. You know what? We'll make it a range. I'm going to put in the support, and we're going to make this a little bit of a zone. A tight one, but nonetheless. We sold off over here a little bit. We kind of touched it and sold over here. And we definitely sold off aggressively at this level. So just looking over here. Let me stretch it out first. Yeah, just looking over here, sellers really, really ran for the exits at this level. So 25,300, something I'm going to be looking at. Omnius Trades was Omnius Trades. Omnius was talking about it yesterday. 25,300, 25,400. You'd really feel convinced. You'll see it better on the daily. But we are potentially sneaking our heads a little higher. It still is a lower high, eh? It still is a lower high. We have the swing high over here, and this one's lower. If we rotate lower now, this is a lower high. So that's why Omnius was talking about the 24,400 level. I think you can clearly see it. Let's mark it in over there. That's 407. We saw quite a bit of aggressive selling in the beginning of first week of October. Kind of hesitated at that area over there again. So let's see if we can get over 24,400. Again, what do we need to close over? What's the target? Let's check that out. What was the last day of October? 31st. And we closed at 26,005. Target. I'm putting that in. And just to let you know, according to Take Profit Trader, the markets are open tomorrow till 1, and the markets are open on Friday till 1. So we can definitely, we have 3 more trading days, and we have to get to 26,000. We're 25,200 now. That's only 800 points, ladies and gentlemen. We'll keep our eye on that. What else do I want to do? The order entry buttons. The order entry buttons. Why are they not up? Oh, yeah, they're up over here. I know how most of them work. Don't know how all of them work. You know what? I got 2 polls I want to take today. Can you take 2 polls? Is that even possible?
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Halloween.
Happy Halloween. What is it today? It's Wednesday. Happy Thanksgiving Eve.
Oh, that's what it was, huh? Happy Thanksgiving Eve.
Even though it's morning. Happy Thanksgiving Eve.
Well, you know what? If Santa Claus can take over all the holidays, then so can Halloween. The Pumpkin King. That's why the Pumpkin King was trying to take over Christmas, because Christmas is always trying to take over Halloween.
I never heard of the Pumpkin King. Who is the scary monster that lived in your childhood? Whoa, whoa, Sparky!
You never seen The Nightmare Before Christmas?
No.
Tim Burton?
No. Oh my God, no. The minute you said Tim Burton, you lost me.
What?
I never watched anything from Tim Burton. No, I don't like Tim Burton.
Oh my God, your kids have been so deprived.
Isn't he the one that made that video, I Love the Pain?
No.
I'm making a joke.
I've never seen The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Mm-mm.
Oh my God. You need to give your kids an extra hug today. Tell them you're sorry.
No.
Go watch The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Frosty the Snowman. The Grinch, and I'm talking the old cartoons. Charlie Brown Christmas. What was the other one? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I'm stressing here the classics, the cartoons. I have from what year? Those. The 60s or the 70s. Those are the good ones. Those are the ones that warm my heart. And the movie for Christmas that we watch It's with Michael Keaton.
Home Alone?
No, he
What
dies.
about Die Hard? Is Die Hard a Christmas movie?
It's a Christmas movie. It is. It's officially a Christmas movie.
Well, so is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Fellas, good morning. Starboy, good morning. ERB Consult, good morning. Twisted Trader, good morning. Smooth Operator.
Smooth Operator. Smooth
I was gonna have to
Operator
sing
was the
us a
first.
song now.
You can't avoid it. I swear to God, that was instinct. I didn't even think about it. That was just that was
We're
an
gonna need a
automatism.
we're gonna need a bootleg version of the song.
What did you say about Juanita?
What, I need a drink?
I need a drink. Oh, do I need a drink? Um, who is it? Yeah, Smooth Operator. Smooth Operator was the first one to type in ! giveaway pre-stream. So Smooth Operator has 2 balls in every qualifying round we do today. Doesn't even have to type in giveaway game. And he's got an extra ball.
All right, let's move over to the hourly chart and talk about this. So we do have this downtrend. Did kind of break the trend line, but on the hourly chart, we still didn't take the high before the low. So I'd like to see it take this high here. Skeletor, good morning.
Good morning,
So this is our high before our lowest low. So I would like to see it take that. If we go to the 30-minute chart, we did kind of make a high and then a low and then break above it. So I guess you could say the 30-minute chart's kind of bullish. But the hourly chart, I would still kind of like to see it break that high back there. Or come down and test the trend line break and then go from there. That's things I'm looking for. Does look more bullish than bearish, so. And
Yeah,
bullish, so we could drop down, come back, test the Globex open, and then push up. Also, keep in mind we're at the top of this.
Morning, Dave.
Top of this range again. A little bit more of a push up, but around the 400s, the top of that range. What else was we looking at?
9:28, 2 minutes before the market's open. Ouch.
I think I seen a poll. Does November close green? I don't think it can.
800 points. We got 3 trading days.
You got 800? No, I mean, it's going to be low volume trading days. I don't see 800 points. I see 1,000, 1,200.
No, October 31st on my chart. Closed at 26,005. We got to get to 26,005. That was the close on that was the close. Okay. We got to get, so we got to, if we close 1 point higher, November closes higher, then the close of October.
They're still saying 800 points.
Less now.
That's still 800 points.
Okay, let's get in the driver's seat. Warm up my fingers. Get ready for some scalping on the open. Definitely going to be to the long side. Morning, SP King. Maybe by next week. Maybe by next week I'll try and get up my, not try, I'll remind me, guys, in case I forget.
Guys, I'll try to get it up by next week.
By next week I'll try to get up. I'll try and get up my main chart for, well, my Project X chart, which is Project X with Bullinox, Project X with daytraders.com, and Top Step X with Top Step. And that way, you know, for the first couple of minutes, so you guys can see the scalping that I do. Certainly you can't follow it because I'm in and out of 3 trades by the time you'll see when the markets are open.
To the moon, right?
To the moon. I'm only starting with 2 micros. I have my hard stops that are going to be put in automatically at, I don't even remember. Gives me a little bit of extra wiggle room. Wow, we're not doing anything. The volume is 434,000. If you check in daily, 400,000 at 9:30 is pretty much the mark that I look for. 400,000 means just a regular day. Not low volume, not high volume. I got nothing. Okay, that's the first one. Order filled, order filled, order filled, filled.
I was almost starting to feel like a swing trade in the morning.
Yeah, it's slow.
Getting confused. My 2-minute chart looks exactly like the 15-minute chart.
Sparky, you don't have to meow every time the market's open. You do know that, eh? You can leave me in peace a little bit. No, go away, Sparky. Thank you. 2-minute ORB. Are we going to take it out to the upside or to the downside? Sorry, Sparks. I can't deal with you meowing aggressively because you want cookies, because you haven't had cookies in the last, I don't know what, 4 seconds. Come on, let's get up to 49. We should be getting up to 49. 49. There's a 73% probability we get up to 49. 43, 42, 41, 44. There's the 49. We hit it. Congratulations. Not doing good on my scalping today, so it's a good thing we didn't connect. There's that trade, yeah, the Trade Saber, Skeletor, yeah, I love it. I put it back up yesterday to just show people, and I forgot how good it is. And you know what? With the new trades that I added to my playbook, I think it's a great help with the sizing. What did I forget?
I don't know. I walked away. I come back. You're talking about you forgot something.
Oh my God. I forgot what I was talking about.
If I look like I'm crying, it's because I am.
Yeah.
Either that or I put eye drops in my eyes. It could go either way.
Yeah, that's funny. This one's actually a strategy. They have 2 of them. They have one that's a strategy. He has 2 of them. One that's a strategy and one that's an indicator. The indicator just marks you off the size. The strategy has a lot of functionality. It's pretty incredible. Good morning, Silent Mind.
What's the indicator? I think I got the same one.
Yeah, well, the indicator is, I think, market sizer or something. I'm not really sure what he calls it. This one is called order entry, Trade Saber order entry.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's take a look. Strategies. See what he calls it.
I got one of those. Looks the same.
Trade Saber. Oh, there we go. Order entry buttons. That's what he calls it.
Mm-hmm.
But it does a lot more than that. It's not just order entry buttons. We already have order entry buttons. What it does is it calculates where your stop is. You program it in, so it knows where your stop is, where your entry is going to be. It calculates your size. You enter in your risk that you want to take per trade. And It auto
Thinking of
calculates your
getting the
size.
Predator. Who had the Predator? Somebody before was saying they had the Predator. Was that not? I thought that was Skeletor.
No idea. 49. Let's see if we're
Somebody
targeting
was telling me about it.
56.
Or maybe he was thinking about getting it. Yeah, that's one that automates the strategy. Okay. I didn't see if it said how much it cost, though.
That is 49. Yeah, that is 49. We're targeting 56, guys. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, back down to 45.
Around $400. I don't know about that.
And there is the 56. Way to go.
To the moon?
No, a small scalp. I got in at 45. I got out at 56. 11 points.
And you get $1 million. And you get $1 million. And you get $1 million.
That sounds familiar. Smooth. Okay, let's just do a little bit of tracking. I don't want to really do it on the open, but smooth is ×2 for every game. He was the first one to type in giveaway game before the stream started. He's automatically entered for that. And then on the other side, SP King giveaway. We are on live chat. Silent Mind. Okay. What time did Silent Mind type it in so I don't go back? 9:34. And thank you, guys. While I was typing that in.
I was watching Methodical Man a little bit this morning.
Morning, Tech. Oh, yeah?
Seen a few of the guys over there. Just a few of the guys hang out in his stream.
Okay.
And he was talking about people's names and how to fix it. Just happened to catch it like as soon as he's talking about how to fix the name.
Yeah.
So apparently there was a way to fix the name to make it whatever you want.
Yep. Yeah, you just go on your channel and change your channel ID.
You go into the customized channel and then there's got a section now that says handle.
Handle, channel ID. Handle, I think, is your username. That's Futures Floor. I'm not 100% certain, but yeah, you'll see it. You'll see Silent Mind. That's your, what I call your display name. I don't know what the official, but now they're not using the display name anymore. Now they're using the unique channel ID. So just change your channel ID to be Silent Mind. But the problem is, what if Silent Mind is taken already? That's most likely why he has
That's
the L2S.
why. All right, pause for a second. That's why you change your handle. Just like people did it before, but now you have a handle and you do it with that.
So we have a display name, a handle, and a channel ID now?
I don't know if they have a display name anymore.
Okay. Well, they're still going to have to be unique because I'm guessing that is what I read. YouTube wants now unique, unique names. Well, then what was the purpose of doing all this?
They just like changing stuff around.
So we're going to change display name to channel ID, get these weird characters, and then we're going to put back channel display names.
Exactly.
They get paid to do stuff to make themselves look busy. That's my conclusion. Short of 25,200. No, don't do that. You know what? I'm trading too large of a size. I just realized I should be on a 2-lot, not a 3-lot. My stop is not where it's supposed to be.
So now you have a name and a handle.
Giveaway tech 934 Silent Mind. Anybody else? Silent Mind with the Predator. Yeah, but
And my eyes have been so dry, like burning out my head.
Tech and SB King. SB King, you're in already. We didn't. Don't worry about it. Tech. 939.
Femi, good morning.
There's, I have the right size. $90 stop loss on Project X. That is a 3-lot.
Sweet.
I thought I had it wrong.
Guys putting in for the giveaway. You doing a giveaway today?
I was going to talk to you about it, but yeah, I think we should, right? That'll give us flexibility to take the day off on Thursday or on Friday, or both, or whatever.
Well, Friday's Thanksgiving. There ain't gonna be no trading then, anyways.
Markets are open though.
On Thanksgiving?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep. That's what Top Step said. Friday open till 1:15. Thursday open till 1.
How do we find this out? Which was it better?
You check my Top Step email. You gotta have an email from somebody that sent you the market hours for the holidays, holiday market hours. Apex, I think, sends them out also.
Has anything about me ever made you believe that I check emails?
Has anything about it made me think you check emails? No. I'm trying to make your life easier, though. That's no good. Let me change that.
So I'm showing that it's closed tomorrow. What are you talking about?
It is.
What?
It is.
You just said it was open.
It is. Before 1 o'clock.
This guy don't know what the hell he's talking about.
It is open before 1 o'clock. It is closed tomorrow after 1 o'clock. Time is an important part of that equation, not just the day.
So to me, it says it's closed.
I don't know what you're looking at.
The CME website. It says trade date Wednesday, 26 November, 1600 hours closed. That's 4 o'clock. So today it closes at 4 o'clock, right?
Okay. Yep.
Trade date Friday, 28th November, reopen 16:45, whatever the hell that means.
I'll go check my email.
ERB says, no, it is closed tomorrow, period. Closes Friday at 1.
That would be really odd that I would get Top Step would produce an email like that I'll show you.
They make it kind of complicated because it goes by hours. I wish they would just be like layman's terms.
How should it go? Don't stores go by hours?
Trade date Friday 28th, 12:15 close. Like, what the hell is 12:15?
An hour before 1:15?
Well, then it's not closed. It closes at 1.
Yeah, they shouldn't use the word closed. They should use the word closes at, not closed. It's funny because Top Step used the same terminology, closed. And I said, wait, don't put closed, put closes at.
Then they have Thursday trade date, right? And it says pre-open, open. So it's open at 1700 and it pre-opens at 1200. I'm assuming that's not New York hours. Or no, the 1600. I don't know. I'll put it on this screen for y'all to see it, and y'all make sense of it. See it? So there we go, equities. If I click on it. That really kind of fucked it up, didn't it?
What? Platform.
All right, well, I'll put it over here to show people, and I messed it all up.
Two FA.
Anyways, people want to spend the day with their holidays, their family, anyways.
Yeah, that's why we'll do it today.
Do it the day, and then Friday stream can be optional or whatever. See what's going on.
I gotta open my email. My account.
You still looking for that email? And you wonder why I don't check emails.
Yeah. Still looking for it. I just started.
Like 10 minutes ago.
No, I said 10 minutes ago I'll show it. I didn't say at what time I'll show it. I'm taking
I
a
don't
break
like
now.
emails. I wish they would like find a better way to do emails.
Thanksgiving holiday trading hours. This is from Top Step. So don't shoot the messenger. Thursday, 12 p.m. 12 p.m. CT, which is 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Early close. That means we're open tomorrow till 1 p.m. Friday, 12 p.m. CT, early close. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Top Step is indicating. Do I have it from anybody else? Usually I get it from Tick Trader or something, or Take Profit Trader. They also send it. Trash. Let me check my trash. Holiday trading hours. The Fivers. No. Take Profit. Nope. Trade the Pool. We don't trade with day traders.
What's the RB saying? Each market will close early at 1 p.m., 1:15 p.m. for eligible options on Friday, November 28th, 2025. Friday, November 27th, and Friday, November 26th, 2027, the day after Thanksgiving. I don't know. It should be easier to find out, right? Ask GPT. Last time I asked GPT, though, it didn't know either. I messaged Prism again. I'm like, look, man, why do I keep getting muted? Oh, I ain't even there. He left. Yeah. Checking some of my emails, guys. I just sent a few out last night. There he is. You back?
I am cold. Yeah, I got myself a sweater.
You cold?
Got myself my sweater. Cold, yeah.
I don't know why you cold. It's like freaking 90 degrees, 70 degrees. You talking about
Okay.
you cold?
You know what real estate agents say? Location, location, location. And even in the house, I have the bad location. My son is in a toasty office.
That's funny.
He closes the door. He's cooking in there, and I'm freezing out here.
I was trying to tell you something. I looked over. You're gone. I messaged Prism about why I keep getting muted.
Okay.
Sent him kind of a nasty message. Told him we laugh about him on stream every day. How they really could fix their product, but they won't do it, I guess.
Did they like that email?
They basically sent me back the same one they sent me before.
Oh, yeah.
They're like, we're so sorry for this inconvenience. Could you please send us a video? Like,
how do you, I guess you can send a video. That's not a dumb question. I was going to say, how
do I need like a capture of my mute button? Makes no sense. Anyways, what I did was I removed it has an option where you can hide like certain things from the mixer. So now I have that hidden completely from the mixer. There should be no excuse for why it's muted. It's not even on the mixer. Which means I also can't even look at it. So I don't even know if it's muted.
I don't know if you have sound.
I do got the visualizer though. I guess maybe that'll help. Told him in a message, I'm like, I fail to believe that I'm the only person having this issue. I don't understand why y'all won't just put a lock on it. Like, if you're not actively using the mixer, shouldn't it be locked? I remember we used to do concerts and you'd have to have somebody watching the mixer because some drunk asshole would always walk over and want to start messing with the buttons.
That's how we met. That's how I met Omnius. I was that asshole. What does this do? What does this do? Who's weaker today? It looks like. I don't know. It's hard to tell. There's a weird.
I tell you, if you really want to piss the sound guy off, walk over and start touching his mixer.
EQ. EQ. Yes. Looks weaker, but at the moment, I don't know. That's a weird pattern. I'm not going to even try and analyze that pattern.
I had to tell a few sound guys how to work the mixer.
ATR 23, volume 606, 606,000. We were at 400,000 on the open, so a normal day. It was crazy quiet last night, though, eh? It was 12,000 on the 12,000, the volume. 16,000, I think, after an hour.
Oh, yeah.
In the evening, I looked for 40. 40 is my is the level where I say, okay, it looks like the volume is
Still kind of holding the spot, not really going anywhere.
What?
Not what? Who?
Uh-oh, I better take a screenshot of this. Lucy, we have a problem. Yeah, you guys screwed me. I don't think I got the screenshot in. Anyways, at least I got rid of the orders. Yeah, Top Step X wasn't filling my orders. I had a bunch of limit orders. Guys, are you going to announce the winner today? Omnius? I think we said yes. Yeah, I think we're going to run the you want to run a couple of qualifiers today also? What do we got? I don't think we have a lot of qualifiers. Where's the file? We only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We only got 8. So you want to run a couple qualifiers and then at 11:30 or 12 give away the account? What do you think?
You want to trade to about 10:30 and then do it all then, or you want to run a qualifier and then wait a little bit? Run it. Fuck it.
I'm indifferent. Oh, no, I'm not running it now. I'm trading now.
Oh,
no,
okay.
I said, no, maybe you didn't understand the question. The question was, let me repeat the question. Do you want to run any qualifiers
do you want
today?
to run the qualifier and then
No, I said any. Do you want to run any qualifiers today? Or do you want to just give away the account? Then I looked at my qualifier file and I saw we had 8 qualifiers only so far. And now I already forgot. Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we only have 8. Do you want to run any qualifiers today? I think I talked too fast. Maybe that's the problem. Or do you want to just run a giveaway today? Do you have a preference? You see, join asking. It's not being filled.
Like it however you like it.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have a preference. I guess we'll do 1 qualifier. 2. We'll do 2, I guess. We'll bring it up to 10.
Hamza, did I miss anything? Nope. Just moving sideways. And a little bit later, we'll do maybe a qualifier and a giveaway. Yosemite. Good morning. Tech, I don't remember if I told you good morning, but in case I didn't, good morning.
Yassine, SP King, Skeletor.
What? Skeletor speaking?
Speaking, yeah, he's speaking. I just got robbed. So I got robbed probably like $200 by Top Step already. 940, SP King, you're already in. Skeletor.
Like we're trying to come down to yesterday's high.
948, doom, and Yassine. $958. Do you recommend to use micros to stay consistent or switch to full contracts to grow faster? Well, if I were giving no deal me ins. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot about that. Well, I don't make recommendations to the YouTube audience because we're not licensed professionals. But if I were to talk to my boys, what I would advise them is to definitely stay on micros The reason being is that you have to make, if I'm not mistaken, $6,000 on the 100K. And I like to be able to take partials. So if he were to take two minis, that would be $40 a point. That really wouldn't give him a lot of points to lose. What, I think 150? And no, wait a minute. I'm talking target. It's the stop loss that we have to worry about. Wow, let me I should take a video of this.
So most people are going to progress faster with micros.
Yep.
Because when you trade minis, you're losing so much of your account. You're losing this huge portion of your account. Where when you trade micros, you can have a bad day or 2 or 3 bad days in a row and still have an account. But again, it goes by which strategy you're using. So it's going to be different per strategy, per person. It's really such a broad question. There's no real answer to it.
Not enough details in there. Don't know how often you're trading. Don't know how far away your stops are. But in general, still, if I have to answer it, I would say stick with micros. 1, it gives you the flexibility. And 2, I forgot. I kind of answered it wrong. On the 100K account, you only have $3,000 drawdown.
I've seen a lot of people say that they do a lot better with minis. And the reason why is because they're only looking for 1 or 2 trades a day. And they're only looking for about 5 points. So if that's your strategy and you can do that consistently, then yeah, I mean, for you, micros is going to not work because you're constantly going to be looking for the trades and you're going to be over trading. So you have to know what you're looking for and what your strategy is. If you can sit there all day and only take 2 trades, then maybe, and you have a good risk to reward, then maybe you want minis. If you can't, you're going to trade all day long, then you're probably going to want micros.
Yeah, there's a lot of steps, a lot of moving parts to developing a process.
And I would say
a lot of things go into the calculation.
If you don't know which one you're looking for, then the default answer is definitely micros. I mean, nobody that's new to trading or doesn't have a defined strategy or know exactly what they're looking for or doing should be trading NQ. You should be on MNQ. In my opinion, not financial advice. Are you playing with robot? What kind of robot? Yo, what does that mean, man? Are you playing with robot? Mike, you got those robotic balls again?
Thanks for reminding me. I did want to pull out.
Don't know. SB King, I don't know what you're saying by what does that mean, man? Maybe that was from Mike. I don't know.
Are you playing with robot? I don't call it robot. No, I'm not playing with it. It's in my pants. I have no idea.
That should have been a question for the woman, I guess.
I'm polishing my balls. I'm getting them ready for. Oh, there you go. I'm getting them ready for the qualifiers.
Doesn't seem like we have a lot of volume, but then the large volume indicators lighting up everywhere still.
Position size 1. That's. Oh, there you go. Look at that fixed. Still position size 1.
Let's go 550.
Well, I have no idea what happens or what's going to happen to my Top Step account, but I know they were getting a lot of brain farts.
Did I?
Oh my God. I tried to take a screenshot of what was happening just to send it in. Actually, you know what? I should yeah, something about trying to connect to their API, but it was like flying across my screen one after the other.
What platform?
Top Step X. I'm not having a problem with anybody else.
Trying to get dialed in. Yeah, me too.
We just tapped into the previous day's high at 25,135. What I mean by just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes ago.
Yeah, you're throwing me off. I was like, what else way back there?
Let's define the word just.
So we do have the previous day high right below us, and we also have the 5-minute moving average. I don't know why it feels kind of choppy today, but we do have like a 100-point range. Weird. 147-point range.
Okay. I'm curious. So if Top Step X is down, is day traders also down?
They use the same platform.
Win your share of $5 million in Project X funding this week. What the hell is Project X funding?
Maybe they're going to be a funding company.
Edit. Okay, nope. I had no problems logging in with day traders. So I guess it's a Top Step thing. Set my risk to trade per trade to $100. Sorry, to $100. At $100. Deal me in should be working.
Even 15-minute charts, kind of trading sideways.
Yeah, I'm not going to try and force a trade or try to invent a trade over here. I don't know if you saw my video yesterday, my short I put out, the trade that wasn't a trade. I believed it was a trade when I was trading it, but then when I looked over it, I said, holy shit, we didn't even take out a, forget a significant level. We didn't take out anything. I don't know. That might have
Isn't that crazy? Well, in the moment.
I know it is. I couldn't believe what my eyes were seeing.
In the moment, you believe you see a trade. You believe everything's lining up. You believe everything's good. Then at the end of the day, you go back and you're like, you see your entry marks and you're like, what the fuck was going through my head there?
It is. That's the thing. I marked off all the levels. And I'm looking now. I said, what were you like? Were you drinking tequila? What were you seeing? What were you, never forget what was I seeing? What was I imagining? It is what it is. Heat of the moment. You know what? And also, I was, there's
That's
distraction with the giveaway game, writing down all the names and everything.
mm-hmm. That's why they say it's a good idea to record your trading session and talk through your trades.
Yeah, and I think also, you just said it today. Actually, you said, you put a time. You said let's trade till 10:30, and I think that's a good idea. At least have the opening hour or opening half hour for trading, not to be distracted with tracking who's typing in exclamation mark giveaway or anything like that.
Oh, yeah, you definitely can't get distracted by that stuff.
Yeah, because the chat's going by quickly, especially if people are playing Deal Me In. And
Starboy, how's the trading going? You trading in Q today, or are you trading something else? Let us know what you're trading. Yeah, everything's just kind of sideways. You know me, I don't like the sideways. Nah, brother.
let's see if we can get up to 25,207. Nope, stopped out. $17. How beautiful is that? I love it.
Didn't trade this week. Okay. Kind of choppy markets. Unless next week. Yep, I think with all the holidays and the half days and the way the market's going, probably just going to continue to be difficult trading through the rest of the year.
Right now we're sitting on VWAP also.
Yeah. I just feel like they're burning into my skull.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time waiting for good trading conditions. Yeah, you got all summer. Oh, I can't wait for summer to be over so that, we get back to regular trading. Then you get September, October, November, but then it's the holidays. I can't wait for the holidays to be over so we can get back to regular trading somewhere around mid-January.
Well, if you notice that I trade throughout all of it, I think it's our job as traders to figure it out. Could you imagine two guys playing a game of chess and one guy says, I don't really want to move right now because I don't like the way the board's set up. Right.
You know what you do in that case, eh? You just throw all the pieces on the floor. Next.
Flip a coin and just click buy or sell.
Yeah, we did
Heads
that.
buy. We did that. You sent me. You missed it. We did that. We did it for like 6 weeks.
It was 66% accurate, and we got the 50K account, I think, up to 51,300.
I kept saying that I could beat 80% of traders with a coin flip.
It was. Yes,
And,
it was profitable.
Yeah. I kept saying I could beat 80% of traders with a simple coin flip. And Mike said, fine, let's do it then. So we did it for like 6 weeks.
It
Every
was
day.
It was 1-to-1. 10-point take profit, 10-point
Yep.
stop loss, just to let you know what we did.
As I said, I could make a brand new trader, a break even trader, and be 80% of people on day one with a simple coin flip. I got a coin right here. I was going to sell it on eBay.
Yeah, I thought you were going to say
At one
on
point,
eBay.
we was up to what, like 70% or something?
Yeah. I think we topped out at 70.
But statistically, it'll go back down to 50%. But yeah, we was at a pretty good percent. And then Mike was even doing an add-on to it. He said, okay, well, if that's theoretically 50%, I let it go halfway to the stop and then buy. He says, so now he's only doing a 5-point stop to a 15-point take profit, something like that.
Yeah, that one was phenomenal. Had less trades, but I think I can probably find my results. I think it
That's
was.
what we say. Any strategy is better than no strategy. You have to have a strategy. It doesn't matter if it's a simple coin flip. You know, the market theoretically it's just as hard to lose as it is to win. So it's crazy that everybody loses. And it tells you it's not the market. Everybody blames the market. It's not the market, it's the traders. You know, what are we doing? Because you can flip a coin and be break even trader. Black skin boy, good morning. Should make a video on the coin flip strategy. I think we talked about it in a few videos, didn't we? I don't know. We talked about it for a while. Like I said, we did it for about 6 weeks.
Yeah,
People were coming to the stream just to prove to us that it wasn't going to work. Like, it's not going to work.
And left frustrated.
Yeah. We'll show up tomorrow. Like we showed all the results, did it live on stream. Called it random. Then after that, after the coin flip, we started doing
Chat's choice.
Chat's choice.
That was even better.
That was working good too. Just it was hard to get people to pick. Nobody wanted to pick direction. Maybe we'll do it again. If y'all like picking direction, we'll do it again. We don't care. To me, the whole experiment is just showing that any strategy, no matter what it is going to beat 80% of traders because 80% of traders simply refuse to have a strategy. So I think they all work. I think they all don't work. Depends on the trader. And if you simply have a strategy, you're going to be 80% of traders. The easiest part of the process is getting to break even. And it takes so many people so long. And all they have to do is figure out that they have to have a strategy. Blockwire, good morning.
Well, yeah, seeing if you ever do try it on a micro and let us know how it goes.
Yeah, just do 1 or 2 micros, 10 points, take profits, 10-point stop loss. I bet if you had 2 accounts and you did that on one and you traded the other one normal, but you'd be surprised how the coin flip holds up. How's trade going so far?
Well, Top Step, I don't know. I was up 90 something, and then the platform went nuts. I have no idea what it's going to record my status at. And now I'm in my daytraders.com account, and I'm down 168. But I am currently short at 81.
For me, it's a little this way, a little that way. I win a trade, it goes up. I lose a trade, it goes down. Still about break even slightly. I wouldn't even call it green. I don't know. I don't call it break even.
We're really magnetized onto view up there, eh?
Mm-hmm. Right now, we're just kind of going sideways.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know.
ATR, though, was still an impressive 26 points. The average range of the 1 minute candles, 26 points. We got a little bit of a wedge, a pennant, or something. I don't know. You guys call it what you want to call it. I'll just draw it out. See when we get through it. Call it a bear flag if you think that's a bearish dealing range, what we just did from 282 all the way down to 135. Yeah, maybe one day in the future we'll repeat that coin flip experiment.
Mm-hmm.
Or the chat's choice. I preferred the chat's choice. The reason why I preferred the chat's choice because I like taking that second trade if it lost. And I always assumed that the person making the choice, put some effort into it, didn't just randomly choose buy or sell. So what's the probability that it will lose twice in a row? Or it'll go twice as far. So if I wait for it to lose once and then enter. I was enjoying that experiment. I'm sure I still have I remember where I was tracking the results. I was tracking the results in Nightbot. They were scrolling across the screen. That's funny.
What happened?
Sparky. It's a long story. I was in a short. It hit the 73% target. I said, no, I'm going to go for the 50% target, which was 17 points. And it didn't get there, and I changed my mind. I said, you know what? I'll just take the 73% target. And by the time I entered that in, I lost that also. It said, too late. Too bad, too late.
I think we probably took the same short. It's too wicky, man.
It is. Well, on view up there. But I was
start
down.
Going down. We're doing great. Then it just spikes back up, and then it spikes back down. I don't want nothing to do with it.
Yeah, let's take a break. Let's get away from view up, and let's get out of that little wedge. Let's take out a low or a high. Let's get up to 230 or under 130. Reshuffle. Let's shuffle the deck. Okay, so you want to run a qualifier now? I think I have enough players. And then you'll read your thing. I got Smooth Operator, gets 2 marbles. Why does he have 2 marbles? He was the first one to type in ! giveaway before the stream started. I'm going to do that every day. So if you want to get 2 marbles in every qualifier for the day without even having to type in giveaway, you got to be the first one to type in ! giveaway in the chat before the stream starts. After that, we got...
And that gets confusing because your chat or my chat?
Well, I can't monitor your chat so it's got to be mine. It's got to be mine. SP King, Silent Mind, Tech, Skeletor, Yassine, and Blockwire. So that's what I have on Jiggity. I got a bunch of Jiggities. Start the stream from over so I can type first.
Start over.
Yeah. Live chat there. Okay, so that's what I got. Check if you got anybody. I'll create the players list. Check if you got anybody else on your stream. Meantime, I'll get the logistics going. And Black Skin Boy, if you're out there, I don't know what to do to tell you to let me know, because for some reason your chats don't show up.
I can let you know. We got your consult.
Okay, ERB, yeah, I don't have them. Perfect. ERB.
Got Starboy?
Nope. Starboy.
Nefemi?
Nope.
Got Hamza in the chat, but I didn't see where he put the exclamation mark giveaway. Black Skin Boy, we got him. Put him in there.
No, I have Blockwire, but not Black Skin Boy. BLKSKNBY.
You got Cashier in your chat.
Cashier.
Hamza, okay. If you're still there, type in exclamation mark giveaway. Mike, do you have him in your chat that you put giveaway?
Hamza? No, I didn't even see him in my chat today, to be honest with you. Maybe he showed up for a bit in the morning, but I can't say that I saw him. SP King, you're in SP King.
He's there. He just, I think you forgot to type in the giveaway. Hamza, type in giveaway.
Silent Mind, SP King.
Let's get you in this game.
Tech Comic.
Tech. We got Tech in there, I think. Now we're going to the moon again. Did he just like randomly jump in the trades today or what?
Well,
Hamza, type in exclamation mark giveaway. We can get you in this giveaway. Yeah.
We broke out of the wedge to the downside, and then we broke out of the wedge to the upside. Talk about a fake out.
All right, we got Hamza. Put him in there.
Yeah, I'll throw him in. How do you spell it? Hamza, eh?
Hamza.
My phone's got
no, there's not two A's. There's just one A.
Yeah.
You said Hamza, eh?
Hey.
Hey.
They updated my phone.
No, I hate that.
And now I can't stay on a YouTube video for like more than a minute, and the phone closes.
Oh, wow.
You know how annoying it is? Like, obviously it's the setting, whatever they call it there, sleep mode or whatever. I just got to go back in it. But like, why play with it when you do an update? It was fine the way it was. You didn't need to play with it when you do an update. They're terrible, the Android updates.
They are. I agree. I hate every freaking update. Feels like to me I'd never do one.
Really?
I push them off so long till they don't even ask you no more. They just do it. I got a Samsung. The only update we've been wanting for years now was to be able to make it to where we can control the brightness on our always on display. Hundreds, if not thousands of people have been putting comments saying that's what they want. Have they done it? No. They had the option. They took it away. Like, why would you take away options that everybody wants?
Smooth operator. Smooth operator gets his bonus ball. And let's work down the list. Nefemi.
Yeah, they're trying to take more of my money.
Yeah, I'm stopping. I was down 166. I'm up 24 now. I'll take a break. Smooth
Like the
up, smooth
pain.
up. Lefemi, Starboy.
I like the pain. That's why I like the pain. I'm gonna play the video, even though you don't like it.
As,
I'm gonna video it.
as speaking, it's a good thing we weren't brothers.
Love the pain.
We would have always been fighting. He touched my bed. I touched his bed. He touched me, but he messed up my shirts. Silent mind.
I love the pain.
Tech comic. Ruin, where are you, Skeletor?
The video is so great. Oh. Eric. We have an Eric.
Hamza, still working on Hamza.
Skeletor, Alex.
1A or
Don't
2
see
A's,
Alex.
eh?
Oh, Alex Young. Okay, yeah. I got it. Okay.
Hamza.
A little slow in there. Psycho Tactics. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the team.
Yeah, as seen. Blockwire.
You got did you add Eric?
Yeah, no, let me just get in, save and apply. Just want to get in who I have on my list here, and then we'll get the new guys in. Blockwire, ERB.
All right. I make 5 points, I lose 5 points, I make 5 points, I lose 5 points.
Black Skin Boy. Is that everybody? Cashier. Don't forget Cashier. I don't know why I wrote him on the left side of the paper.
Let's go.
I'm going as fast as my chubby little fingers let me go. Who else we got? You said?
Omnius love the pain. Look, I feel like as traders, you gotta love the pain, man. I'm sorry. You got to take your stops. I've said it a million times. We pay those stops to do a job. Could you imagine paying somebody to do a job and then being mad at them because they did it?
Eric.
Imagine you pay somebody to paint your house blue. They paint your house blue and you get mad at them. You're like, we pay our stops. You got to be comfortable with that pain. You pay somebody to paint your house, you got to be comfortable when they get done pulling out their wallet and giving them all that money.
Give me a sec. I'm back in 20 seconds, and then we'll run the game. While I'm gone, somebody type in fire or burst, so we know how we're shooting up the balls. First person to type it out, Omnius. I'll let you keep an eye out on that in Omnius's chat. First person to type it out in Omnius's chat, so he doesn't have to monitor two chats.
No, we got fire in your chat already. Smooth Operator was fast. He been working. He been practicing, y'all. I told y'all got to watch out for Smooth Operator. And we got Hamza fire. So we got 2 fires. Smooth Operator practices for this stuff. All right, well, while he's gone, I'll go fill up my drink real quick. That way when we get back, we can go ahead and start. So just give us about 2 minutes. Be right back. Let's start this giveaway.
I'm back. I forgot. I got to make one change. Be patient, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, wow. He took off too. He was supposed to be monitoring fire or burst. We got a fire from Hamza. Right? Eric. Where's the Eric? Eric giveaway. Hello. Let's go. Yep. And fire from Hamza. Hamza calls it. I love the pain. Live chat. That's funny, Skeletor. Give me a minute. Why do I have to... Oh, wait a minute. I'm not even taking anybody's time. Omnius is gone. Blame it on Omnius. Well, you guys are going to hate me. How do we spell... Oh, Iraq FX. Yeah, that's cool. Quite a bit of people are talking about us looking into some of the FX firms. I'd be curious to know if you use a prop firm in FX, which one you use. I mean, the big boys are FTMO and the Fivers, in my opinion, at least. $80, $90, $10.7.
All right. Still waiting on the other guy. Must have had to poop or something, huh? Let one out. Skeletor, I love the pain. I see the stop loss order hit.
My mic is on. I just forgot to.
Twice the number of contracts. I go back and buy even more. Yeah. There he is. Everything come out all right?
I just forgot to turn on my camera. I was talking to everybody.
Was you?
Yeah, I was. I was saying we're waiting for you. It'd be good if tab works. Oh, yeah, it does.
Looked over a minute ago. I didn't see you there.
Yeah, the camera
maybe
wasn't
there was
on.
some struggles in the old bathroom area.
No, just the camera was on. What else is new?
Oh, you got a camera on in the bathroom?
You don't?
You can't disrupt the stream, right? Kind of warning do you put on that video? Caution,
only
dropping
one.
nukes. That's funny. You setting up the game?
Skeletor and Hamza, yep. I had it already.
While we're waiting, I'll play Batman. Because I'm Batman.
Mazza. Yeah, we had to change the background because today's game is sponsored by Taurus Arena. Today's game is not brought to you by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls or Smooth Operators Polish.
What?
I said today's game is not brought to you by Smooth Operators Polish, Slippage Gel, and it's not brought to you by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls.
Do we got somebody else?
Taurus Arena. Today's game is sponsored by Taurus Arena.
Oh, it's too loud. Batman's too loud? Oh, man.
Guys, check out their offerings.
Sam.
It's probably a little bit better priced right now than what I have on my screen. Right now on my screen, I got the 25K at 1850, the Taurus 50K Prime that comes with a 119 activation. It's at 2450, and the 100K is at 3750. But they do also have the freeze accounts, which do not have activation fees, and I'll get you the prices on those as well. Give me just a second. Let me just finish this over here. We do have to thank our sponsors, Blockwire, ERB, Blackskin Boy.
Surprise Bullinox ain't going to give us something. Expecting more Bullinox.
Yep.
What can you do?
And I was expecting more from, I don't know, I was expecting better from Apex. Well, I agree. What can you do?
Apex, they got the, they got that one deal. They got a really good deal. What are you talking about?
They do. I mean, $10 activation is unheard of.
It's literally like, what, $69 all in. I don't remember what the deal is. Trying to go off memory. You know I can't remember stuff.
I think we're missing somebody.
Who are we missing?
I don't know.
Haven't seen Bama today. Who else haven't we seen?
Tech Comic and Skeletor, we have them. Hamza and Yassine, we have them. Blockwire, ERB, Blockwire, ERB, and Blackskin Boy, Cashier, Airac. Well, before we had 19, now we have 18. Someone disappeared. Smooth Operator, you have your 2 balls. Well, let me read out the names, and you'll have a few seconds to let me know if you.
You got Airac and you got Hamza.
Yeah, got Hamza. Let me just go through them top to bottom. Smooth Operator, Nefemi, Starboy, SP King, Silent Mind, Tech Comic, Skeletor, Hamza, Yassine, Blockwire, ERB Consult, Blackskin Boy, Cashier, Airac. Guys, if we missed your name, let me know. Blockwire, yeah, you're in there. If we missed your name, let me know. In the meantime, I'm going to go pull up Taurus Arena's current pricing. We'll see what they got for us.
I just did. It looks like it's the same. It's like $24 or something, whatever it is.
Okay, and what's the pricing on the no activation on the freeze?
I didn't check that.
They're very competitively priced. Actually, extremely competitively priced with the no activation. With the no activation accounts, I think it's $77 for the 50K, which is almost 50% better than with Take Profit Trader.
Yeah, $77
for the 50K.
Yeah. Then the Prime's $24.
So, guys, if you want to check them out, it's taurusarena.com. They have 2 accounts. One is with activation. The 50K, again, is $24.50. They have other sizes also, but I always look at the 50K because that's your best bet. You don't want to make it too hard on yourself. And the freeze, which is with no activation, is $77 a month. So, like I said, that's almost 50% cheaper than what Take Profit Trader advertise this. I think they're at 119 this month, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so
These guys
taurusarena.com.
do
Thank
no
you very much,
activation
guys.
fee for the giveaways. Starboy, if we get more people in, we could do more stuff. I mean, we're still small channels. More people we get, more giveaways, the more things we can give back. Certainly want to. We have a lot that we're working on. So keep checking back, keep supporting the stream, and we'll do everything that we can.
Yeah, guys, absolutely. And when the channel grows and we build it, forget no activation. Let's get straight to funded. But with that being said,
certainly want to do everything we can do to help everybody out on this trading journey. We have the Discords, we got social media, we got, and I got Facebook. If y'all ain't signed up already, post all kinds of trading strategies, setups. We got Discord. We put stuff in there, try to help people out. So, also talk about this daytraders.com. They have a 91%. It's a $34 one-time fee for the eval. Then if you pass it, it's $130. So it'd be $160 all in, $164. Guys, if y'all do get accounts, get them while they're on a good sale. But when you do, if you support the channel, you use our codes, then we put that money back into the channel, back into you guys. So by supporting the channel, you're supporting yourself as well and your fellow traders.
Yeah, if you're looking for some no activation accounts, I forgot to bring up, you get access to Volumetrica, which is on a web platform and has a lot of access to volume style indicators. Volume profile is up there, order flow. I'm not sure. I can't 100% confirm, but it's possible. I've seen the footprint charts or something similar to the footprint charts. I know I did put it up on my screen once. So if you're looking for a no activation account at $77, go check it out. And if we get some people taking up their offer on the no activation accounts, I'll bug them to convert the accounts they've committed to into no activation accounts. So I can I'll twist our arm and see if we can get something going. So go check out taurusarena.com. See if you like their offering. And I'm ready to start the game whenever you are, Omnius.
Hold on, I'm signing up for a free giveaway. Guys, y'all can go to daytraders.com, sign up for a free giveaway. Give me just a second. I'll give you the link. Enter giveaway. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, I want to enter. What are you talking about? Give me some free accounts. And we can give them away. Copy. Guys, on my stream, here's a link to daytraders.com.
1048.
Sign up for the free, go there, sign up for the free giveaway. They're giving away account, I think, every week. So costs you nothing to sign up for it. Why not, right? And they also have the 91% off. Get a 50K account. You only pay one time. So great deal for Black Friday with them.
Oh, is that what I'm looking at here? Where it says to win your share of $5 million in Project X funding?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sign up for the giveaway. It takes literally 2 seconds. And post the link in your stream.
Well, let's take care of the Taurus Arena qualifiers for now. Let's stay focused.
You can at least post the link in your stream. You're right there. Just click the link, put it in your stream.
How do I do that?
That way people on your stream can go there. Or they can go to my stream, click my link. Go there, sign up for the giveaway.
Close. Nah, I don't have it on that. I don't have it on this screen over here.
Okay, well, they can go to my stream, click the link. Right now, let's do the giveaway. And then people want, they can go there later, sign up for their giveaway as well. Like I said, we always want to do everything we can to help out the people, help out all the traders. We can go through this trading journey together and help each other out. All right, what do we got? We're doing a qualifier or?
Well, we're still going to run 2 more qualifiers. That'll give us...
All right, can we put a qualifier on the stream so that everybody knows this is a qualifier? Do you have a text?
I remember the song.
6, 7, 8, 9. I'm busy now, Dave. Well, it kind of says on the screen, on the scroll right on the top, to register for today's qualifier. It's a qualifier, but hold on.
I mean, you can just do a text. Take 2 seconds.
Nothing takes 2 seconds. You know that. You know how these things work. But yeah, we will call it. We do want you guys to know.
You also put it down.
Give me 15
down by the
seconds.
bottom, by the stop loss or something.
Yeah, qualifier. There we go.
I'm ready when you are. Are you playing a sponsor?
No, I don't have a video for Taurus Arena. The sponsor again is Taurus Arena. So go check out their website at taurusarena.com.
All right.
Let's see what they're offering.
Ready when you are.
Qualifier. This is the qualifier for the finals that we will be getting to by 11:30, hopefully today for the account.
Yeah, let's run it. We're
fire or burst. Right. I think we did have a fire. We had someone
we had
fire.
2 fires.
2 fires. It's fire. Let's go.
Let's go. This is the qualifier round, just so everybody knows. Oh, I don't see your bricks. Okay, there it went.
And
this is Taurus Arena in the background, right? So,
yep, those are
they're the
Taurus
ones
Arena.
sponsoring the game, guys. They're the ones doing the giveaway. So, shout out to them. Shout out to Mike for putting in all his work to be able to set this up.
ERB Consult, the first one to make it over to the right side of the board, all on his own, and he has a strong support wall keeping him there. For you guys, it's a resistance wall because you're all on the wrong side of the board. ERB Consult's taking it easy, saying, you know what, I got all the time in the world. Let me just check it out, make sure it's safe. Let me float over to winner's pit. I don't know, ERB, maybe you should have just jumped in when you had a chance. Yassine, threatening. So is Silent Mind. Yassine's going to float over and scan it. Silent Mind is going to float in if Yassine doesn't take care of it soon. Oh, Yassine knocks him out of the way. Opens up the path for ERB, who doesn't take it. He's still shy. He just bounces off the goalpost. Blackskin Boy gives Silent Mind a nudge. ERB's going for the win, but he changes his mind and bounces off the post again. No, ERB says, I have enough entries. He doesn't want more. Diet Coke is threatening. Diet Coke won a lot of matches yesterday. Diet Coke obviously can't win. Can only run interference. That was as close as it can get without actually pulling off a winner. Diet Coke knocks Yassine right into the pit. Right into the pit. Diet Coke, you're off the team. You're supposed to be running interference, Diet Coke. You're not supposed to be helping. You got it all wrong. Okay, so who'd we get? Yassine, look at that. Out of all those entries.
Guys, can we get GG's in the chat for Yassine? Great game. Great game, Yassine.
Ah, that's his first entry for the... wow, Yassine, you're cleaning up. But
we're doing one more qualifier?
We are. File. Save.
Anybody new? We're keeping all the same guys, right?
We're keeping all the same guys. Oh, it's too loud. Nefemi, I'm pretty sure you have a volume on your computer.
Yeah, I think he was saying he said that when I read the Batman.
Oh, I thought it was when I was screaming. I took off my compression. There's no more compression. I can scream as loud as I want. You guys are gonna have to put up with it.
All right, so
Yeah, but no.
we're keeping all the guys from that one.
Yeah, all joking aside, guys, I really don't know how the volume sounds on everybody's channel. It's hard. It's hard to work here. It's not redlining. It's somewhere in the middle. I try to keep it.
Plus, it depends. Are you on the phone? Are you on the TV? Do you have
Yeah.
headphones in? YouTube is so different across all platforms. Guys, can we
Yeah.
get some more GGs in the chat for Yasim?
As you're typing in, it's too loud. Somebody else could be typing in. Can you raise the volume? So we do our best to moderate it somewhere in the middle. And
Yasim, great job. Anybody else that's not already in the game that wants to be in the game? We'll give it, what, 30 seconds?
Yeah, in the meantime, I'm logging into my Top Step dashboard and hoping that, no, still not logging in. They're still down. I guess they're going to do one of those refund days again. Anybody else trading Top Step? Anybody else having a hard time or an impossible time to log into their account? Funny thing is, my son trades Top Step and he didn't tell me. But he does also trade Tradeify, Take Profit Trader. So it's possible he wasn't on them today. Nope, I can't get into my Top Step account. Okay, let's go back to daytraders.com. For now, trading Project X. I'm up $24, a big $24, but I was down $166. My PDLL is 300. Didn't hit it. And I did nothing in my Apex accounts, really. Kind of distracted.
Mike, did you get a video of the game to send to Taurus Arena?
I'm live streaming, so I'll just create highlights, clips. No, you know what? I think my region is having the data problem again because now my NinjaTrader accounts aren't updating. And it does show that I'm connected. But Daytraders is working. So, and these are separate computers, just to let you know. It's not like one computer. Top Step on computer A is not working, but Daytraders on computer A is working. Apex is now not working on NinjaTrader, but other platforms are working. So there seems to be there's a data problem, not a lag. It's just gone. It's down. It's down the same way that Top Step X is down.
Seems to be working for the most part.
You're gonna get it tomorrow. It's almost always like that. There's like a 1-day delay. We get hit in Canada first, and then you get hit.
Do not see the game on that link. Omnius Trades. Game on what link? What? No, I just clicked off of it for a second. You talking about on my channel?
Okay, the data is changing, but the chart isn't.
No, I was just checking the chart real quick, if that's what you're talking about. Oh, we're still here.
Okay. Reload.
Oh, you're talking about the giveaway?
Seems to have fixed it. Oh, it's on my screen.
Talking about the giveaway for daytraders.com? Oh, no. Click the link and it should take you to daytraders.com. And then there's a... Let me see how exactly to get there. They could have put it up top, huh? Okay, where do we find it?
In the meantime, if there's any lurkers, of course, click the like button also if you haven't had a chance to do that. We're having a good time here. And if there's any lurkers, type in exclamation mark giveaway, either in my chat or in Omnius chat. Once again, this is going to be the last qualifier for the round, the finals. It's going to be for the account at 11:30. Brought to you by taurusarena.com. They have accounts with activation. They have accounts with no activation. The no activation account, the 50K, is $77, which is a great price.
I don't know, it seems to pop up randomly, huh? That's weird.
I also forgot they do have the ability to switch from trailing drawdown on the one with the activation, with the trailing drawdown to end of day drawdown. There is an add-on. I think it's $19.
I got somebody making noise.
And it may apply also for the accounts with no activation. Yeah, there's a an end of drawdown option. So basically, for the same price as an Apex account, you get end of day drawdown. Maybe a few dollars more, if I'm running the math right. It's 24, right? 24, 34, 44. I think an Apex account now at 80% off is $35 or $36.
Mike, you said you seen the giveaway on daytraders.com as well, right?
On the platform, but it's not there anymore. Believe it or not.
Seems to just like randomly pop up.
It just disappeared.
How you gonna tell people to sign up for your giveaway and then just like...
There's an easy explanation, guys. We just popped into an alternate universe. That's what you call
Weird.
the Mandela. That's the Mandela effect. I could have sworn that the guy in Monopoly had a monocle in his eye. No, he doesn't. I could have sworn that Day Traders was giving away accounts. Nope.
They don't even have it in the help section. Huh. You have to log in? Maybe you have to log in. Weird.
Okay, yeah,
I don't know,
that was
guys.
correct.
Sorry, it seems like it pops up sometimes. Sometimes it don't.
Say that again, Dave.
They're doing a giveaway though. If you can
Yeah,
find
I'm
it.
locked out. I'm locked out, and I had huge problems. My platform was just going nuts. I was getting these API trying to reconnect was just flying across my screen like once every half a second or something. Okay, so Top Step is officially down. One of my sons is using it. He says he's down. He's saying that a lot of people are experiencing. 1 entry for Friday and 3 for tonight, correct? Yassine wants me to do accounting. Okay, Yassine. Let me see. What did you say? 1 entry for Friday. Well, I'm not even sure when the evening one is going to be. Oh, wait a minute. I'm confused. I think we're going to do them both today. We're doing them both today. Both accounts are being given away tonight. Thursday and Friday are days off. We're going to be thankful that we have some time off and we get to relax. Yassine, in the evening tonight for the giveaway, we have 1, 2, 3. Yes, Yassine, you are in 3 times. You have 3 balls in tonight's. And for the morning, which we're going to do in about 30 minutes, you have 1 so far. Does anybody else want me to do an accounting?
Okay, you want another game?
I'm ready. Let me do...
Apparently the giveaway on daytraders.com may pop up, may not. I don't know. You tell people to do a giveaway and then it don't show up anymore.
Okay, we did fire last. I don't understand. When is the account are going to be published? Well, the first one will be published at 11:30 today. That will be the account by taurusarena.com. And tonight we will give the account at probably 8:30. We'll run the game for the finalists, Blockwire. And then I will, 10 minutes later, I will go into my Discord. I'll enter in the winners, and I'll get in contact with the winners, and we'll get them set up for their account. Okay, we did burst, and this is what we'll be doing pretty much for the next 2.5, 3 months. And as Omni said, hopefully we'll start to add in some no activation accounts, and hopefully we'll eventually get up to the point, maybe in the new year, adding straight to funded accounts. Let's keep our fingers crossed that we can pull that off. We'll get aggressive. We'll talk to these companies and we'll see what they can do for us. Again, let's get the chats going. Let's get the stream growing. And the companies, I'm sure, will be more than happy to give out those accounts. Okay, Burst. Call it down, Omnius. This is the last qualifier.
More people that show up, the more we can tell the companies that, hey, we got these people. They want to be a part of your business. And the more people that use the links, the more people that show up to the streams, the more that we can do. Like I said, everything that we get, we put back into the stream anyways. So you really give them back to yourself.
Skeletor. I'm going to comment to that. Skeletor wrote, remember to give away 20 Apex accounts to one winner. There was a scroll that went across. That's not there now, but I do plan on bringing it back. Omnius, you know which one I'm talking about? If everyone stops out, everyone wins an account. And yeah,
I told you I ran the game with my kids and everyone stopped out, so it's possible.
It does happen. It does happen that everyone stops out. I've seen, hey, yesterday, do you remember yesterday? I think like half the board stopped out within 3 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom. Everyone ran for the stop out box.
Wasn't there one person left in the game?
Yeah. So it is a possibility, and it's definitely on the table. If everyone stops out, everyone, even if it's a qualifier, that's a jackpot. It's already coded into the game, but it's on pause right now. It's disabled, but it's already coded into the game. If everyone stops out, the jackpot banner comes out, and everyone would win an account, but it's not being used at the moment. It's planned. Skeletor, you gave away one of our surprises. Okay, so let's get this going. Unless Omnius has something else to say, he can count it down, and we're going to do a burst.
3, 2, 1, lift off.
Everybody out at the same time. Nobody has an advantage. Let me make sure. Who's the one? Smooth operator, right? You got your 2 balls there. You earned them. Smooth up. I see one of them.
This is a qualifier also, and then we get into the games.
Smooth up. I do see both your balls. Smooth up. One's on the bottom, one's on the top. Smooth operator has an extra ball. He was the first person to type in ! Giveaway before the stream started. That person gets 2 balls for every qualifier without having to do anything else. Omnius is flirting with a stop out. Diet Coke. Always looking to cause trouble and be in somebody's way. On the right side, Silent Mind. The wall has already been broken. Support or resistance, whatever you want to call it, that resistance wall has been taken down. Starboy streaks across the screen like a shooting star, like the shooting star that he is. ERB console flirting again with the winner's box. Look at him. Oh my God. I swear to God, he's floating in. I know it. He's floating in. ERB's going for it. If somebody doesn't push him out of the way, he's going to take it. Black Skin Boy, you tried, but you didn't come close enough. You had a moment. You had your chance.
Sweet.
ERB takes it. Okay.
Guys, let's get GG's in the chat for ERB.
Let's close it down.
Great game.
Guys, we have a special for you. It's a different game that's going to pick the winner. It's kind of similar, but it's different. Wait till you see this one. Let me enter in the qualifier, ERB, and I'll start setting it up because takes a bit. So the final qualifiers are SP King, ERB Consult, Harshing. Hey, Harshing didn't show up. Skeletor, Bama, SP King, second ball. Nefemi, Madman Tonio, Yasin, ERB Consult. ERB has 2, and didn't someone else? SP King have 2 balls each. They qualified twice during the week. And it's only Wednesday. My God, imagine how many they would have had.
Guys, can we get some more GG's in the chat for ERB? And then we'll set up for the giveaway games, right?
Yeah, he should get double GGs because he has two balls in the finals. Shit.
Let's go.
Shit. I have no idea. No, we're not going to be able to use it. Sorry. Or maybe. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Operator
Give me a
error.
second. No, the background. It's the dancing girl. Given that it's sponsored by Taurus Arena, I'm not sure they want to have that as their background. So let me see if I can do a quick change.
Especially since it's a woman, right?
Uh-huh. Well, I have till 11:30, and I don't see any opportunities coming up. Let me just take a quick scan here. We took out initial balance high. We're trading above the initial balance. I don't have any entries. Wow, it was a pretty quiet day for, at least for my setup that I'm looking at for the 3-to-1. Really nothing. And had a couple of trades on the scalping side of things, but not a lot since the last almost hour. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries only. That's it. Wow, what the fuck is going to happen to my ball? Always playing near stop out. Well, Skeletor, it all balances out. Reversion to the mean. It's a market game. You were killing it last.
Saying I love the pain.
You were killing it last week.
Is Skeletor's got a qualifying ball, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's in the finals. Wait, hold on. SP King or B Hershing Skeletor. Yeah, Skeletor has one. And he's got one. He's got one for tonight also. That I can see, yeah. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay, Omnius. How do I Oh, it makes perfect sense. You will understand. I have no say in this. Omnius is picking for the background. Pick a number 1 to 2, and I'll be able to prove it.
1 to 2?
1 or 2, and I'll be able to
1
prove
or
I
2.
didn't cheat. Yeah.
Chat 1 or 2. Y'all help me out.
I'd prefer
Y'all know I can't pick this stuff.
Yeah, 1 or 2. Somebody
Chat,
pick 1 or 2.
Help me out, chat. 1 or 2. Y'all my wingman.
In Omnius' chat. 2! It's a 2.
Skeletor 2.
Okay, to prove I'm not cheating.
Skeletor.
Take a look at the top right corner. You will see the 2.
We got Team Godlike. Team Godlike, good morning. I don't see a number.
Oh, no, I got to get it set up. I'm just saying it'll be in the top right corner. You will see that I did not cheat when I get it set up. Let's choose number 11. Work like a charm. Okay, let me, that's perfect. Don't want to take too much screen size.
Yosemite, where's the 2? Yeah, Yosemite, I'm looking for it also.
Don't worry, it's coming. Count 2. There we go.
Madman Antonio, good morning.
Top right corner. I told you. You'll see it in the top right corner. It's there. I did not lie.
I don't see it.
Funny. Really?
Anybody see
I
it
see
too?
it. Top right corner. Look at your fingers.
2 fingers.
And in my pose, I got 1. That's what I
Ah,
said. Well, I said 1 or 2. It was easy to prove. Mine was a 1. Yours was a 2. That was just a coincidence. I had no idea. Okay, so I said, you know what? I don't want to put you up just like that. There we go. This is the final, so we get rid of the scrolling text as well. Let's stretch this out full screen. Unfortunately, this is sponsored by Taurus Arena, and for the finals, we can't have a Taurus Arena backsplash because I don't have one prepared.
You had a Taurus Arena. The last game had Taurus Arena.
Yeah, but no, not for this one. For this size, this is a different size. This is a portrait.
Oh, I thought you were just going to keep it. Same one. Okay.
We'll play this one. We're going to mix it up a little bit. We have so many Taurus Arena accounts to give away that the first one doesn't matter. We can have this. We'll get a Taurus Arena. We'll get the girl from Taurus Arena who's helping us out. We'll get her to pose like that with 2 fingers out in the air. Okay, who are the qualifiers?
I think next week, we should get her to come on the stream with us. What do you think?
Yeah, we can. It might not be next week, but yeah, we can definitely speak to her about that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. File. Save.
You see him, he said it's the 2 fingers. He's holding 1 finger, I'm holding 2, so it was which background we were using.
Yeah, I'm in the same pose. Well, a little different, but pretty much the same. Enter the players' names. Okay, let's enter the players' names in the order that they qualified. Let's get that up there. Again, we're going to be running this at 11:30. So I could take my time, no stress. SP King, ERB. ERB Consult. SP King. After that was Harshing. After Harshing, we have Skeletor and Bama. SP King again.
I didn't know you were into karaoke. I don't think I've ever did karaoke.
Nefemi.
I've been in metal bands for 20 years.
Telio.
Well, this one might have been more than 20 years.
Yassine and filling out the field.
Maybe one day I'll show you our video.
Is ERB Consult. Apply the names.
I'll show you all a video. Mike probably have a heart attack.
Updated. Play speed. I don't know. We want the game to run fast or slow. I have no idea. I haven't used this one in a while. Ball size.
I wasn't a singer though. I played guitar. Show me. I love metal.
Yeah, I want to see too. Okay, well, it looks like that all I can affect. And we're good. I don't even have a save. Guys, I got my fingers crossed that this works. Same theory, but a little bit different. You got the stop loss pit. If you fall into the stop loss pit, though, good news for you guys. You get shot out of the cannon again right out at the top. So you're still in the game if you hit stop loss. It's kind of like taking a second trade. Bounce off support. Try to get through support. Try to get through the overnight lows. If you can get through the support and the overnight lows, those aren't breakouts. Those are actual pretty significant levels. So you got to work your way through them. If you go into the stop loss pit, you get thrown out at the top again. If you fall into the take profit, you are the winner. You got the account. Let's take a look and see what the market. I want
Bama, good morning.
Bachata. Bama. Bama's got a ball in. Bama, you made it just in time. Perfect for the final. For the finals.
So this is the actual for the account here. Yes.
It is. It is. Bama's in. Skeletor's in. Madman Tonio's in.
You want one with Mike dancing? Mike owes us a dancing video.
I'm winning the account.
I had one with my daughter, and then he was all like, "Oh, I'm gonna do one too." So he told a little girl he was gonna do a dancing video. Just saying.
I think I misspoke.
Sooner or later, we're gonna get a Mike dancing video.
Are we gonna get an entry here? Is it possible? Can we finally get a trade? Wow. When you have a lot of conditions and you're kind of trading your own ICT model, you can
oh my God, you got everybody sitting on the edge of their chair waiting on this game, and you looking at trades.
And I'm talking about ICT. Yeah, of course. You can just wait all day. Like, I can't even invent the setup. There was really none. There was really none for me. And my setups are pretty lenient. They're pretty easy to get into. I don't have a lot of conditions, but nope, nothing. Nothing since the open, 9:30. Maybe I can call this one a trade over here. We did sweep these levels over here, a little bit internal lows. We took out the 5-minute, so I can kind of stretch it and say it's significant. It is a bearish candle, and we did head higher. We moved above the candle over here. We did get my also 3-to-1 entry. I can see without taking stop out. So that one, of course, I'm not adding that to my record because this is all left side trading. And left side trading doesn't count. But I don't see winners. I don't see losers. Well, that was a winner, but I don't see any losers. That's a bearish candle. No good. That's a bullish candle. No good. That's a bullish candle, but we couldn't get below it. That's a bearish candle. No good. That's a bullish candle. No good. Bearish. No good.
Madman Antonio said he's winning the account.
I have no idea how long this game's going to last. We haven't played this in a while. We did play with it yesterday, but I don't remember the settings. Well, do we have everybody in here? SB King is here. ERB is here. Harshing hasn't shown up yet. Skeletor's here. Bama's here. SB King. Nefemi's here. Madman, Yassine, and ERB. Everybody's here except for Harshing. So we could kind of start earlier, but if Harshing shows up at 11:30, which is what we discussed, and he missed it, he might be a little angry.
Do they have to be here to win?
No, they don't have to be here to win, but it's fun to watch, no? I would want to watch.
Well, if you want to wait 5 more minutes, then
Let's
you told everyone 11:30.
Let's take a poll. Is it a prime or freeze account? It's the one with the activation. I forgot the names.
Prime.
I can't even go look. Anyways. Yeah, most likely it's prime, but it's the one with the no activation. I guess that would make sense. Freeze, that they would use freeze for the word for the account with no activation. But either way, whatever the name is, it's the one with the no active. It's the one with the activation fee. Sorry.
I was wondering what you're saying.
We have a retraction. You know, when you get those circulars and then the next day there's a retraction because the price was wrong. They were selling beef for 59 cents a kilogram or a pound. No, it's $5.90. It's not 59 cents.
You sound like CNN. Don't they have to do a retraction like every day?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, well, we fucked the news up again. Oh, shit, we fucked it up again. Oh, shit, we fucked it up again.
This is for the 50K with the activation fee. So if you pass, yes, there is an activation fee to pay. You get the eval. And you get to try Volumetrica, which is a very interesting platform. I think you're going to like it. I think it's a cross between Platform X and NinjaTrader. I swear to God. I really like it. I'm sold on Volumetrica. If I were to have to pick my favorite platform, obviously it's Project X, which I'm losing access to in February. Not happy about that. But on the other hand, I do have Top Step X, so I'm still with them. Number
Hey,
two.
you remember when you used to pass evals and then you had to pay monthly for the funded account?
I do remember those crazy days. Yeah.
Now we got super cheap evals and one-time only activations. What a great time to be a trader.
Yeah, it is. So, yeah, whoever gets the account, I'm really curious to hear your opinion if you're as enthusiastic about Volumetrica as I am.
I think they also have Quant Tower.
I don't understand. Yeah, seen check out YRM prop firm. There's a prop firm called YRM. Let's go. Someone's got to go to the bathroom. Someone's waiting at the back of the line. Come on, let's go. What's holding the line up? SP King. Yeah, you have a ball. Oh, you got two.
Have to check that out. YRM.
Let's just make sure I entered in the SP King. Yeah, you got your both balls in there.
All right. Well, since you're waiting 3 more minutes, I'll run over here real quick. Be right back. 2 minutes. No excuses.
Yeah, you got 3. And I'm going to try and log in back to my Top Step X, because I'm really curious to see Black Friday deal. $38 for a 50K end of day account, no activation fee. That's a good deal, but the problem is I didn't hear of them. Let's start with, are they a futures firm? I'm assuming so, because they're using Volumetrica. And they do pay out. You know what, Yassine? Look, I'm not an accountant, and I don't track them all. Yes, futures, but I think all the new firms pretty much pay out in the beginning. Could you imagine how much bad will you would generate if you just started a prop firm and you didn't pay out the first few people who requested payouts, and that started to go around and you're just getting out of the gate? Like, honestly, if I opened up a prop firm and I didn't have enough accounts, I would dip into my own wallet to make sure I paid. Like, you better make sure you got the funds to make your payouts in the beginning. And with that being said, also, I'm really planning on doing a video on how much money the prop firms make. I'm very, very interested. I'm going to be doing some research on that, and I'm curious to see if they're as profitable as people think. Or, let me rephrase that. I'm curious to see if they're as profitable as I think they are. Like, are they rolling in money?
Who's rolling in money?
The prop firms. Are they rolling in money, or is it
oh God, they make
are the margins tight?
Oh no, they're making a killing. Had to go freshen my balls, make sure to use some of that smooth operator stuff.
Yeah,
make sure I had nice fresh balls for the game.
Again, the ball polish, or the slippage gel.
Bama says I like it. What's he talking about? The Volumetrica?
No, the slippage gel.
Bama likes the slippage gel.
Yeah, he has the big. He's got the big tube.
You got a big tube of slippage gel.
He's got a big tube of slippage gel.
Just saying, it's nice and slippery. Watch it. We don't. We take no responsibility for accidents. All right, like you got your 1130.
I got it. Okay. There's no fire or burst option. There's only one option. It's fire. So if there's any errors, we will restart, because this version isn't completely finished. It's only, I think it's 99% finished.
Are you in the game?
I think it's been. No, we're not.
Oh, we're not even gonna.
Should I put ourselves in there? You think so? I don't know. It's very hard. It's pretty hard to get to the TP. I mean, someone can get there quickly, but it's pretty hard to get to the TP. I think I would be pretty angry if I almost made it to the TP and got knocked out by Omnius.
Oh man,
so we'll let it run.
Balls for nothing.
Okay, well, we'll revisit the conversation on how profitable prop firms are, because I do have a few things to say about that. I'm kind of curious, but anyways, let's run the game. It's 11:30. I hope you guys are
before you run
ready.
it. Why don't you say a few things about Taurus Arena, since they're the ones sponsoring it?
Yeah, again, check out taurusarena.com. They're sponsoring the today's giveaway. They have two types of accounts, obviously, the no activation and the accounts with the activation. The prize today is a 50K account. If you pass, you do pay the activation fee. The activation fee currently is $119. They have trailing drawdown. They also have end of day drawdown as an option for an add-on for $19. I've seen them have it on sale also for $9. The 50K account is $24, I think, right now. That's the one with the activation. The 50K account with no activation is $77. Check them out, taurusarena.com, and you get to use Volumetrica, which I think is pretty much my third favorite platform right now. I prefer it over, look, it's a preference, but I do prefer it over Tradeovate. I prefer it over Wealth Charts. Well, we really can't put Sierra Charts in there because Sierra Charts is a different animal. It's very complex. But for the web-based platforms, it's a top-notch platform. If I win, I'll take the test, but don't have funds for activation fee. LOL. We'll deal with that when we get there. Let's win first, Yassine. Okay, let's hit fire. Count it down. Omnius, count it down, since you're the one taking center stage right there.
5, 6, 8, 3, 12, 2, 1. Blast off.
Fire. Oh, you guys are flying out with insane speed. You got to get off support. You got to get off the overnight lows. SP King's getting a headache, but he gets away. SP King tried to break through the overnight lows. He was not able to, and he tried. Mad Antonio, holy shit, he made it right down to the bottom quickly. Guys, if you stop out, you're not out of the game. You get thrown out of the gun again from the top. You're back in. See, Mad Antonio stopped out, but he's back in the game. He's bouncing off support now. So do not get discouraged. We got Bama at the bottom.
This is for the account. Cross your fingers.
Bam at the bottom, trying to find his way to the right side of the board where the take profit is. He needs a deflection off a peg. ERB consult with 2 balls in the game. Bam is back down, threatening. SP King stopped out. You're back at the top. Bama says, nope. Nothing doing. I'm not interested in the account. I'm going back down. I'm going back to the top. Oh no, Bama's changed his mind again. Bama's not sure what he wants. Mad Antonio and Bama looming large here, threatening for the win. Someone's gone bananas, got stuck somewhere. ERB, I'm sorry, Bama got stopped out. Someone's got to give ERB a nudge.
It's just like a real trade.
He's stuck. I lowered the volume there. ERB is stuck on support. Someone will give him a nudge. Oh, I'm getting a headache. Yassine stopped out. Oh, just missed the nudge there, ERB. Nefemi stopped out. ERB, why don't you give yourself a nudge? There we go. Thank you, Nefemi. I can raise the volume again. Woo! That was, Nefemi almost kind of knocked ERB and then ended up putting him or herself back in that spot. Nefemi's down and stopped out. Aren't you guys glad that you get thrown out of the cannon again when you get stopped out? Madman Antonio. pushing his way to the right side of the board if he can. Right now, he's on the bottom. Skeletor has finally made his way down. Skeletor's looking good, actually. I like where Skeletor is. This is where you want to be. You want to be on the left side of the board. ARB comes in, says there's no way you're getting it, Skeletor.
Oh.
I got myself stuck in that little corner. I paid the price. I'm going for it. ERB, good game. Way to go. That was fun. I like that one. We're going to be here forever. No, what are you talking about? That wasn't even 3 minutes. And that was way more exciting than a horse race. Okay, congrats, ERB.
That didn't take long.
We will be in touch. Nah, that was like 2.5 minutes. The only scary moment was when I thought we might have to call an ambulance for ERB when he got stuck between support and a peg. But
he got stuck there for a while and then came back, huh?
Yeah. And then said, fuck this, I'm not getting stuck there anymore.
Guys,
we're ending the game.
Chat for ERB. ERB, great job. Guys, let's get some GGs in the chat. Mike, what do they call it when you like baseball or something and sportsmanship? There you go. Guys, let's show some GGs in the chat for ERB. Good sportsmanship. Everybody have a great game. Mike, please let ERB know what to do.
Yeah, we'll get in touch. ERB, the best thing to do is go onto the Discord, click the link. There's a link from my Discord in the description of this stream. Go on there, get into my Discord.
Wait, pause your stream.
I'm confused.
My link goes to my Discord. He needs a link to your Discord and your stream.
Yeah. I mean, we're going to try and set it up in both. It's just, as far as I know, it's not set up. Are you set up yet, Omnius? Did you open up the channel?
I did open up a channel for it, so.
Yeah. Okay, so we can do it both. Do you have time today to make sure to get it all going, or you can just go into that channel on Omnius's either Discord and just get in contact with a DM, and we'll take it from there.
Your Discord link's still active, right?
It is, yeah.
I'm gonna post it in my chat in case he's on my channel, or he can go on your channel and get it from your chat. There's the link for anybody that wants to go to Futures Floor Discord. And ERB, go to Futures Floor Discord, type in there in the section that says something along the way of giveaway game.
Yeah, it's the last chat channel that I created, so it's at the bottom. And all the instructions will be in there. We'll publish a congratulations, and we'll let you know what to do. Does the month of November stand a chance to closing green? Does it stand a chance? You know what? That's how can you say no to that? Of course it stands a chance. It's not an impossibility. That was a poorly worded question, especially for someone like me, because there's no way you can say no. I mean, there is a way. If we were trading at 14,000, but even if we were trading at 14,000, it still does stand a chance. It may be a super, super slim chance, but it still does stand a chance.
Well, we need like 400 points.
A little bit more. 550, maybe. Okay. It's not a lot. That's not a lot. You might even see 200 of those.
All right, let's get back on the game. You're doing another giveaway tonight, right?
Yep.
And are you doing another qualifier for the giveaway?
No idea. Well, I don't know. Let me see. How many? We got a lot of Oh my God! I thought we had a lot of qualifiers for tonight. I guess that was in my dream. Well, we have, but we don't. Skeletor, Hamza, Starboy, Yassine, ERB, ERB, ERB. Black Skin Boy, ERB, Madman, ERB, and ERB. No, I'm joking. Sorry, guys, that was too easy. We do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll do one more. We got 11. We'll bring it up to 12. But the ERB does have 2 entries. Tonight's Bullinox account, 50K. Yassine has 3 entries. ERB has 2 entries. After that, it's Skeletor rounding up the field. Skeletor, Hamza, Starboy, Black Skin Boy, and SP King.
So there you go, guys. Another opportunity for...
Oh, Madman. Sorry. Madman Antonio's there too.
So there you go.
Sorry,
another
Madman.
Opportunity to get a qualifier and to get in for another giveaway.
Yassine, 6:45
tonight, right?
Yeah, Yassine was just asked what time is it. 6:45. I'll be on the mic.
ERB, I am Condrad in Discord. ERB, I have no idea what Condrad means.
It's his username or user ID. So Yassine is
That makes
Condrad.
sense.
I think. I don't know. Maybe it's another way of saying confused. I'm not a thesaurus.
I'm glad you got it.
I
was like, what the heck's he saying? I don't know what he's saying. Do you need his email address or anything?
I'm not sure what we need. I'm gonna have to think about it. We'll see. We'll get in touch with you in the Discord. We'll get it organized. Don't worry about it, ERB. We'll get organized. But yeah, I did want to bring that up with you guys and with Omnius. Yeah, maybe we should be working with email addresses just to make sure, that we always have access to contact the person that won, number one, but also to make sure that it's the right person that we're dealing with. So we're gonna have to start taking care of that a little bit more responsibly.
I think maybe you should have them go to Discord right now and let you know it's him.
Yeah, well,
and go ahead and get his information now.
Yeah,
that's why most people do it.
Yeah, ERB, you're in Omnius's Discord or in mine? You're talking to me, Dave? Yeah.
ERB, you click the link above. Yeah, ERB, is that you in the Discord now?
I'm back.
ERB, was that you that commented in the Discord?
Okay. Hey, Omnius, are you going to trade Friday?
I don't know. I mean, it's Thanksgiving. I might just take Friday with the family. So kind of, I don't really know right now. ERB, yes, the giveaway section. Okay, so that should be him in your Discord there. You want to give him a number or something to type in, make sure, or what?
It was so easy.
It don't say a name. It just says a C.
Yeah.
Everybody, do us a favor and just type in, let's say the 5. Type in a 5 in with that chat. Because I see it there, but I don't see no name. It's just... Thank you. All right, Mike. So that's him there. Go with that.
Yeah. Give me just a second.
And ERB just confirmed that was you that typed in, right?
Did Yes know Ruan?
What?
Skeletor wants to know if Yassine knows Ruan. Let me just get the one question earlier. Yassine, what
Yes.
time is it
Okay.
tonight? 6:45. You're 6 hours ahead, so it'll be about midnight your time, midnight 30, whatever. I do have to run one qualifier. But Yassine, even if you're not there, we'll still get in touch with you. Don't worry. It's not
All
the
right,
end of
Mike.
the world if you're not there.
Mike, you got ERB in your Discord there. That's
Yep.
him. So get with him there. Let him know what he needs to do.
Refresh.
And for anybody that didn't hear, Mike's going to be doing the giveaway in his stream tonight. So anybody interested, be sure to go there. Anybody that's qualified already, be sure to be there. And Mike, you said you're going to do one more qualifier, right?
Yeah,
So
we'll do
anybody
one more
that's not
qualifier.
qualified yet still has an opportunity.
ERB, I don't have you in my. Were you in my chat at all today? I just ran through all my chats here. I don't see you.
He was in my chat.
Yeah. Do you have hyperchat still loaded? You can
I
click
do.
on it
Yeah.
and yeah. Okay, so you want to go in and get me his data. When you click on the username and just push it to me through a private message again. Like you did last time. That'll make my job a lot easier. Skeletor was asking if did Yas know Ruan? Yeah.
What do you
I was made fun of when I asked that question.
what
Like
do you want?
everyone.
His channel name's the same. He does have his name up there. Could always give you that.
Yeah.
I don't want it to be
Or you
public
know
though.
what? What am I thinking? Hold on. Streamers. No, I installed the hyperchat. You know what? My brain's working on slow motion. Let me just go on your stream.
I'm gonna send you a private message.
I don't usually keep it open. Yeah. Want to go also there? Roll
And
Tide.
he said that's him in the in your
Yeah.
Discord.
Yeah. I still want the data though. I'm gonna need it.
Yep. He said it's him.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
He confirmed it. So unless somebody like copied his name and everything in like 2 minutes, possible, but you know.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I got it. At ERB Consult. Okay. Perfect. Right. That's what it was all the time.
Bama,
And
enjoy your Thanksgiving, guys. Skeletor, everyone's celebrating. Gotta go. Bama, we did find out how to change your name. So if you want to change your name back to Bama,
very
I
fun.
could tell you real quick. Probably only take 5 seconds. How? Let's run through it real quick. Yeah, give me just a second. I got to set it up on the other side. Make sure we got the right stuff. Okay, here we go. You just go to. I skipped a step on purpose, but then I got to be able to tell you what that step. So you're gonna click in your icon on the top up here. You're gonna click your channel. Then you're gonna come down here. You're gonna click customize channel. You're gonna scroll down. It's gonna give you name and handle. I'd probably just change both of those back to Bama. I think the handle's the one that's gonna do it. And that should set you back up. For anybody else wanting custom names, since YouTube changed their stuff, that should set you back up. Quick, easy fix. Bama, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you as always. And I don't know if we're going to hang out a few more minutes or not, but for anybody leaving, have a good Thanksgiving. Spend time with your family. For anybody interested, Mike's doing another giveaway in the evening stream. Yes, he's going to do another qualifier. So if you're not qualified, yes, you still have a chance. Mike, on the 4-hour chart, we did break that swing high I was talking about. So looking kind of bullish.
Yeah, I'm going to go take a look in a minute.
I always like the swing high that made the low. So this is the swing high, made the low. I know on a 30-minute, you could count this one here. But on the hourly and the 4-hour, I was looking for it to break this one. So we did break above that. Do have this support resistance. So we want to see it break above that and continue up. And hopefully everybody that buys stocks bought into good companies while we were way down here. And everything was at a good price. Mike, you good? What you working on?
I'm trying to think what's the best way to do this. It works different they work it differently than with Bullinox. So I'm just trying to figure out what the best way is. You know what? I'm just going to put this. Not gonna sound. Yeah, there we go.
Why don't we go ahead and finish up with the stream and you can work on that.
I am done. Yep. I just wanted to get a DM now to Condriad. And let's confirm the link is working. Visit site. It's working. Perfect. Close. Okay, yeah.
You still want the stream or are you done for now?
No, absolutely not. 11:52. We're good. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll let Omnius close it down.
Guys, appreciate you. Skeletor, Bama, all you guys. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Go through some names. ERB, congratulations on winning that account. Let us know how that account's doing for you. Be sure to come by and let us know in the chat how that account's doing. Other guys, Team Godlike, Black Skin Boy and the Fammy, Starboy, appreciate all you guys. Air Rack, appreciate everyone hanging out. See everybody in Mike's stream, 6:45, right?
Yeah, 6:45 p.m. We'll run one more qualifier and then we'll give away the Bullinox account. You know what? It's we're coming up to Thanksgiving's Eve. Let's try and take care of all that by 7:30 so we can shut it down early and have a good long weekend. But in the meantime, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Omnius appreciates it. If you haven't already had a chance to hit the like button, take care of that on your way out the door. And I'll see you guys tonight. If not, tomorrow morning. I'm not sure if I'll be streaming. Omnius, are you streaming tomorrow morning?
No.
No. Okay. So, well, check the thumbnails, check the channels, see if we're streaming tomorrow morning. If not, then we'll see you the next time we're streaming. Could be Monday morning.
Friday's a maybe, but I'm not going to commit to it.
Yeah.
Skeletor,
okay.
Appreciate you as always, buddy. Everybody have a great Thanksgiving. And enjoy the family.
And we'll play it by ear for the final couple days of the week, but I will be there tonight. Market is open tomorrow. Yeah, it is till 1 p.m. Eastern time, if I understood my messaging correctly from Top Step. So the markets are open.
I might show up. I'm not going to rule it out. I'll have to check with the family, see what we got going on.
Yeah, we'll see what time I wake up, and if I got nothing to do and I'm just sitting here looking at the markets, maybe I'll open up the stream. But we'll play it by ear.
I don't want to commit to it, but I don't want to sit around the house bored when I could be hanging out with my friends, right?
Yep, we'll play it by ear. Can Omnius come out and play? Okay, guys, take care. We'll see you
Later,
soon. We'll see you
guys.
tonight. Bye.